Hello from IP SoC 26 in Silicon Valley. I have the pleasure with a person that I know for a long time. He's Farzad Zarrinfar. And today he's Senior VP Sales and Marketing at a company called Innosilicon, located in Ottawa. I know this company, and they have a very broad portfolio and many technology and many application area. So I let you first say a little bit about your broad portfolio.
Thank you, Gabrielle. Hello, everyone. So we have a very, as you mentioned, Gabrielle, we have a very large portfolio of IPs that they are focused on three vertical market that we think is very exciting. One of them is AI, high-performance computing. The second one is automotive. And the third one is low-power IoT technologies. So these three vertical markets obviously are growing. We are based in Ottawa. Our headquarters is in Ottawa, but my office is in Silicon Valley, so we cover worldwide from various office locations that we have. We are globally active, and we are focusing on IPs for high bandwidth, high performance IPs, and we complement our IPs with ASIC technology that provide differentiation to customer. And our differentiation is coming from PPA, power, performance, area. And from those aspects, we are typically 20% better than existing competition, and at the same time, we provide customization to people that for some IP providers is extremely expensive and extremely difficult, but we provide, customer can ask for, I want this IP, but I want to have a different CTLE technology for equalization. We provide this kind of services, or higher visibility, observability, higher controllability, or maybe slightly different aspect ratio. And these kind of things matter, and we support it with this silicon-proven IPs from 55 nanometer all the way down to 3 nanometer. So it's pretty large portfolio, and at the same time, we are developing 2 nanometer technology and working on silicon proven for our customers. So those are very exciting.
Okay, I see you have really a broad portfolio. And in addition, you think that in a design, you're extremely flexible and can tune. Okay, right. So you will be a big player in this area. But if you want to tell us now about one or two star IP that are quite new, just this year, just for this conference, what would you think about among all these IP? Is there a star IP today?
Yes, absolutely. We are seeing, people that are focusing on data movement. Traditionally, they were focusing on computation, but now people are talking about data movement. They're talking about memory bandwidth. They're talking about lowering power consumption, managing thermal aspect of the SoC. So from all those aspects, we have obviously stars like our LPDDR 5X combo with 4 is very attractive. Our PCIe series 4, 5 has been around and is very exciting. Our USB series are exciting, and then other IPs like support IPs like MIPI C and D for camera and display, and combo is very attractive, and then other support stuff like PVT sensors and PLL and HDMI, and all those technologies are very attractive. And obviously we have new stars are going to be born, and I share with you as well.
But you have really many star IP then.
Yes.
And about the market, do you serve worldwide? Are your customer more in the US, in Asia, or any country?
It's pretty much balanced. balanced between Asia and North America is pretty much 50-50, but I'm seeing a great growth right now in North America and to some extent in Europe.
Okay, so if you become a major player, we are very glad. So we let you grow and see you the next year again.
And I want to just share with you that I'm very excited about new technologies that we are seeing, like 3D IC technologies coming in. Very exciting, LPDDR6, and I'm actually presenting going to all the way to 14.4 gigabit per second, and we're going to talk about that. PCIe, obviously, we are seeing that people need to communicate from memory to server, so PCIe is moving to PCIe 6 and that set it up for future direction. And that could be supporting on Ethernet side 112 gigabit per second, on Ethernet side that support UA link and build the infrastructure for 224 and HBM technology. So, and in automotive, we are focusing heavily on ASIL-B compliant and certification, and ASIL-D with automotive Ethernet technology. So there are lots of exciting things that are happening. So I'm very excited about it.
There are no star IP, there are sky filled with star. So I think, so perfect. Everything and the best. Okay, congratulations.
Feel free to come join us.
Innosilicon.com. Okay.
You don't need to worry about www anymore.
But they will find. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.